Hey YouTubers, I've got a video review for everybody here. This is a Blusmart A3 laminator. This is a hot and cold laminator, and it comes with a variety of accessories up here. You can see there's a few of these little left out here. There's about 6 of these little photo frame pieces, but you've got some little clothespins, you've got a hole punch up here, you've got some twine and some rings there, clasp rings and stuff like that for other things, and you've got a little, right on the side here, there's a little built-in corner cutter. So you got your little corner cutter, there's a cutter built in on the top of it, and some ruler and stuff to help you cut your projects. On the side here you can see you got your hot cold selector switch. On the back is your release there. And then it comes with a variety of different size sheets and everything. But what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to use some Amazon Basics hot laminator pouches through this, because these sheets that it comes with, they're not exactly the same size for a regular document net, but they're more for like photos from what I can tell. And we're going to go ahead and just use some Amazon Basics laminator sheets and do a few recipes through it, and you guys can kind of see how it runs here. And then in another video I'm going to make a comparison between the two, the Amazon Basics laminator, which I already own, it works really well, and then this one. We're going to compare how fast they laminate and how good of the quality of the laminate is when it's done right out of the unit. So, and I will have the footage of this one laminating here in just a second. Alright, here we go. First one. Okay. Well, they are pretty warm, so I would watch with children with any laminator. Obviously, the sheets come out pretty warm, but it does do a good job. After it cools, it might be a little bit better, but for the most part, it does a great job right off the bat. I don't see any weird areas where it didn't really laminate. Maybe a little bit, but nothing major. Let's try another one here real quick. Okay. Now this one didn't get exactly lined up on the pages and that, but it's fine. It just printed, or not printed, excuse me, it just sealed it up nice and tight. There might be a little bit of gap around it. Might be just the way it runs on these laminator pouches and that, but that's okay. I do notice it does a really good job. These sheets are nice and hot when they come out, so word of caution there. But other than that, it does a great job, and I will be back with the other video and we'll compare the speed on these two laminators between this and the Amazon Basics. So thanks for watching. Have a good one. Don't work too hard. Take it easy. Bye.